Hello guys, here's Programming to Inspire and welcome to the fourth part of the pilot test series. First, create a new class, call it configuration and put it in the .game package. .game package and now create a properties is equal to new properties public void save configuration string key and double value string path is equal to config.html try catch exception e, and inside try file is equal to new file and path import file and boolean exists is equal to file.exists. If it does not exist, file.create new file. Output stream write is equal to new file output stream path and properties set property key and double to string and value and properties dot store to HTML and write and call it options. It could be called best course or something, but we can save more than just best score. Now create a new method public void load configuration string path and try catch input stream read is equal to new file input stream and path properties dot load from HTML read and string best is equal to properties dot get property and key is going to be called best set best to double dot parse double best and read dot close. Now we are going to create set best game dot best is equal to best time and this is going to be best time and it is going to be public. Now in the exception we're gonna make one more exception. This one is going to print stack trace and this one is going to be file not found exception, so file not found exception e, and if file does not exist save configuration and best and 0.0 for the best. And now call load configuration again path. So the first time file won't exist, we're gonna create a file with best is equal to 0 and load configuration again. Now let's go into the game class, and here on the top, configuration configuration, this one we call it trunk config is equal to new configuration. Let's try to rename it, refactor, rename configuration. This should be fine. Now inside init call config dot load configuration, and path is config dot xml, and inside game over, so here config dot save configuration best and best. So save the configuration when we break the best score. Now let's try to load configuration. Here has to be config. Now we should be able to see this file somewhere, and it's not this one but this one, and we have a best score now. Okay, we can delete this file because we have wrongly named it. And now let's go into the game and render text. And first we're gonna check if it is game over, because we are gonna only render text if it is going to be game over. So g.set rendering hints, rendering hints dot key anti-aliasing, and rendering hints dot value anti-aliasing on, g.set color to color.black, g.set font to new font Arial 170 for the size, import font. Now g string sg is equal to game over, string st is equal to time. Here it is string, and time plus last time plus s for seconds. Copy paste that and change this to sbt for best time, change this to best and this to best. Now int ig is equal to g.get font matrix dot string width sg divided by 2. Copy paste this 3 times and change this to st sbt and this to it and ibt. g.draw string and sg exposition is going to be pilot test dot width divided by 2 minus ig, and 150. Copy paste this 2 times, change this to 300 and this to 450 and minus IT and BT and here ST and SBT. Now SIBT, SBS. Now let's check it out and it displays. Now let's try to beat our best time, and it works. If we don't beat it doesn't update, otherwise it does. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.